videos, and like, yeah, I'm in the car right now, so I hope you do not mind that wind sound. Okay, so anyway, it's Daphne is here.
So, I saw everything that whenever that got. Who even names themselves Chicken Butt? Like I bet he'd get mad. He would get mad. Like, oh, guess what? What? Chicken Butt? Did you say my name? No. Yes, it was an accident, dude. And then they started arguing about that. So, oh, I love your Miku cosplay. Who is Miku? There's no Miku in the room. There's no Miku in the game. She's cosplaying as Teto, and maybe that's Miku because she's wearing blue. I'm blue now.
And plus, I only did the intro in private chat, so he got a bit mad after that. So here's the entire video, not edited. Cause my finger accidentally slipped, and then I pressed private chat, and then he like started getting a bit overreactive when I pressed private chat and typed it in. Cause I was focusing on the keyboard instead of the thing. And it was only one time, as you can see. Cause I realized it because like it didn't show what I said. Cause I look at chat when I finish. And I also apologized. And he called you guys bots. So
hello everyone.
He called me a weirdo, so I told him to chill, which is not harmful. And he isn't a developer's friend, by the way. And he's not even a developer at least. I only said one thing, and then he got a bit overreactive again. And then he started private chatting me again, even though he could stop. So now I just said I'm not, because like I wanted you to know so that it kind of just ruined the entire video. But I was hoping he would stop after this. And then near the end, he started ganging up on me. And he said he was gonna make fake allegations of me.
And then he twisted his own words. And then she said that she would make fake allegations of me.
By the way, this is definitely not edited. I told him I'm recording because I hoped his behavior would stop. And then he said, I don't care. And then I asked, who's everyone? Because we are private chatting. I'm home. And he said I got only 3 viewers. Because I know you guys are not bots, right? Right? Are you guys not bots? Okay. Saying that like it's something. It is something. He's being actually so rude, and then he literally just did the Uno reverse on his own words. Like, he's acting like he's the victim when I am. Okay. Okay. Run! and later on the video, he actually went insane.
It's genuinely sad how like overreactive he is.
Yeah, like it's only one. It started with only
It's
one
like our
private.
future generation.
Like I literally apologized, and he started being really rude.
Adult like overreacting.
And I'm a new content creator. I do not know how to edit at all.
He's immature, bro.
Okay. Oh, oops. And his user was chicken butt, but I don't even know his actual username. I only know his RP name.
He is a chicken butt.
No, he's the chicken, not the chicken, the butts. Woo hoo! I can finally chill. Why did I just turn British?
Fight about.
Okay, this part I was kind of rude. And then I kept getting tagged because unfortunately Roblox hates me. And as you can see, I'm absolutely rich. $30,000. Ah! No, it's a game. Ah! No! What the heck? Bro, I'm not a Miku fan. This is genuinely just a troll avatar. Yeah, I don't like mesmerizing. I like Teddo. Upstairs. Water. Let's go, brothers! Run! And then I just started eating, and then my friend joins me. Wait, no, that was not me eating. Sorry, I got distracted. Ah! Well, I keep doing the undo type. Keep getting it. Keep getting tags for no reason. I don't even know how my friend teleported to me because my Wi-Fi was terrible. I became even richer. And then like I said hi to my friend. She said hello first. Then I said hi. Then the guy actually came up and then just go away. The person on top of me is my friend. Star, please get off me. Whispering in my ear something, but I don't even know. She was speaking gibberish, definitely. And the only slur I called him refreshed his username. And his little bodyguard started like fighting me. And then he started like saying I said the F word. And he reported me for no absolute reason. And by the way, he said he was gonna make fake allegations, and then he literally turned the tables and told me I was making fake allegations about him, even though he was clearly making allegations about me. And I really hope you're not blocked for like the third time, or else he is probably not. And then I started being polite and asked him to please go away, and then he wouldn't. I really hope you guys don't leave me. Yeah. And then they called me boss. I tried defending myself once again, but I kind of typed like a bot because I was typing super fast because I was stressed. And my name is not Grace. My friend won't help. I can't say slurs because I'm a minor. I can't say really bad slurs. Guys, if you're a minor, your mom probably won't let you swear or say slurs. My mom is Asian, which means she's a bit strict. So I can't swear or anything. But my cousin actually swears. But I literally call him nothing upset in my roast. He's claiming I've been nice to you. He said I'm a Miku role player. And he said like something rude about it, my Tedo cosplay. Plus, this is not a Tedo cosplay, it's a troll avatar. It's a noob troll. Noob Tedo. Okay. He's claiming he has it recorded, even though I have it recorded. And this is actual proof of me trying to defend myself while I'm trying to eat. By the way, I literally just have terrible water. This is not my legendary. Well, I really hope I don't get banned. I don't even know what videos I'm making. Well, he's probably in a gang because he got a flippin' bodyguard that looks like Michael Jackson. Then he still might win because he's a big bat. What? I did not call him the F word, guys. And it would filter if I said that. What? You zesty. Well, I did call him. I'm sending this. Okay, this is literally the exact same video, but with my voice and proof. This is proof it's not edited. Cause I don't believe you can edit in photos. This is photo. No. I'm not making you watch the entire thing again. And then here's some. Okay, this is much better. I'm not letting you watch the entire thing again, cause I don't want it to be like a lot, like very long. But the developer does not have him as his friend, and he's not even a developer. Cause as you can see, he actually has no friends. Not being rude. And then this guy's actually the owner, and that guy was pretending like he was the boss of the game, even though there was only one developer, which was the owner. So that guy clearly couldn't do anything to me. So I literally just left for no entire reason. And then I just said, what the heck, because he was being so mean. So I really hope this is enough proof for you guys. So I'm just gonna do a photo review. So do you like this one? This is me burning his house. Nah, JK, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna commit arson. This is me kicking my cousin because he's toxic. This is me doing the I show speed thing. This is the top one is me. Anthony is my cousin. The guy with the Nikocado avocado is my cousin. The girl wearing the scarf with a pigtail and long eyelashes is my other cousin, but I forgave her, but I'm not gonna remove that. I love it. Anyways, again, I really hope you guys think this is enough proof. So bye bye.